this past week as prices remain challenging for first-time home buyers. It's Friday, July 28th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. Fewer than 6 homes are listed for sale in the first-time home buyer range for Annapolis. The majority of homes for sale are listed over $600,000, with a larger percentage over $1 million. Overall, there are 95 for sale, down from last week's high. 19 homes hit the market since last report. Homes coming soon are up to 21, and 21 homes went under contract, and 9 went pending over this past week. 32 sold in the past week, selling in just 8 days at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest price home to sell was for $2,950,000 in the city of Annapolis. There are 21 homes for lease in Annapolis at a median $3,300 per month. That looks like it's it for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, July 28, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week.